How to use safety check on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to access the safety check feature on your iPhone, here is what you should do. But before that, you need to make sure that your iPhone must be running on iOS 16 or later. You can head over to the general section and check for the software update to see if it is up to date or not. You also need an Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled and must be signed in under Settings and your email. Once that is done, let's access the safety check. For this, scroll down and search for Privacy and Security. Once you find the option of Privacy and Security, tap on it. After tapping on Privacy and Security, look and search for the option of Safety Check. It is on the bottom, so scroll down until you find the option. Once you tap on Safety Check, here are few options. First one is the quick exit on the top right corner. It is to instantly close the settings and return to the home screen. All changes you have made so far are saved. This is useful for discreet use under sensitive situations. Next one is emergency reset. So emergency reset is an option by which you can use for immediate security when time is crucial. You can tap on emergency reset, authenticate via Face ID or Touch ID, then follow the on-screen steps. Just tap on Start Emergency Reset and you're good to go. Likewise, the other option is Managing Sharing and Access. Tapping on it will also ask for Face ID. Now you can customize who and what apps can access your data. This is more granular and allows careful review of what's being shared. Once you have done all of the settings, you can tap on Done and head back to your home screen. So this is how you can confirm or use the safety check features. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.